just making a phone, but building the most powerful personal device on Earth. Every year, the Ultra series pushed boundaries. Bigger cameras, brighter screens, smarter AI. But the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is different. This isn't just another upgrade. This feels like the phone Samsung has been planning quietly for years. Because with the S26 Ultra, Samsung isn't competing with other Android phones anymore. They're challenging laptops, cameras, and even AI assistants, all in your pocket. So today we're breaking down everything the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra represents. The design, the camera leap, the AI revolution, and why this phone could redefine what Ultra truly means. And trust me, the biggest surprise comes at the end. At first glance, the Galaxy S26 Ultra doesn't scream for attention, and that's intentional. Samsung has reached a point where luxury no longer needs to show off. The S26 Ultra is expected to feature a near-seamless slab design, with softer edges, thinner bezels, and a frame that feels carved rather than assembled. Rumors point to advanced titanium alloy, improved weight distribution, a slimmer profile without sacrificing battery size. But the real story isn't what you see, it's what you don't. The camera bump? Almost gone. Samsung is reportedly working on embedded lens architecture, allowing the massive camera hardware to sit closer to the frame, creating one of the cleanest Ultra designs ever. This phone doesn't want to look futuristic. It wants to feel inevitable. Chapter 2, the display, Samsung Remin. If there's one area Samsung never loses, it's displays. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to push OLED technology further than any smartphone before it. We're talking a next-generation dynamic AMOLED panel, peak brightness rumored to exceed 3,500 nits, improved adaptive refresh rates that intelligently scale from 1 Hz to 144 Hz. But here's the real innovation. Samsung is reportedly focusing on AI-driven display tuning. The phone doesn't just adjust brightness, it understands content. Watching a movie? Colors shift towards cinematic accuracy. Gaming? Response time tightens, motion smoothing adjusts automatically. Reading at night? Eye strain reduction adapts in real time. The display doesn't react anymore.